Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Daisy.
Are you from the school?
No, I'm from Ebenezer International School
I see. Where is your campus?
in Boshundhara.
I see. So you live in Bosonhara. You came here from Bosonhara.
Yes.
Thank you for coming. Okay. Do you like the photographs you see?
Yeah.
What do you think? These are like printed or handmade?
Handmade.
Handmade? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let me tell you a secret. All the pictures you see are printed from this printer.
Really?
Yes,
Oh, but they look so bright.
right?
Yeah.
Which one do you like most?
This one.
Yeah, it's really vibrant.
Yeah.
Nice choice.
Thank you.
Do you recognize the material or the media?
Canvas?
Exactly. Do you like paintings?
Yeah.
Okay, so using Canvas, you not only can paint the pictures you like, you can even print on Canvas media now with our printers. And you can see some photo papers here. We use photo media to print our pictures or other decorative pictures to decorate our houses or schools, right?
Yeah.
So these are just small format samples we kept here, but you can print this in bigger sizes, like A1 size, what we call it, and you can see one sample here.
You can print all sizes in one printer.
Yes, all the sizes from A4 to A0.
Okay.
So what do you think?
I think it's really great. We would need this in our classroom. It would make learning easier. It would make the classroom look more vibrant.
Exactly, that's great. You can see some printouts here. Now there's a twinkle twinkle little star, chemistry chart. We can print all these from our printer in different sizes from A4 to A0 and decorate our classes. I have another question for you. Are you from any club of your school?
Yeah, art.
Okay. So you must organize different events from your club, right?
Yeah,
So you must design different posters and everything before your event.
yeah,
I am guessing there must be a competitive club.
yeah.
So how will it be if they steal your design or use your design and steal the spotlight,
That would be awful.
right?
Yeah,
So let me tell you that our printer use HP Wolf Pro Security, which will secure your data and design.
that's great. But isn't this harmful for the environment as it uses up plastics?
That's a really good point. Our HP designed printers are made from up to 43% recycled plastic.
Okay, that's great.
So, do you like our printers?
Yeah, they're really great.
Thank you, Shazin. I have one more request for you. Would you share your feedback for HP Designed?
So what I can understand is when you invest in HP printers, you're not just investing in printers, you're also investing in sustainability, security, and the planet.
Thank you so much for a beautiful feedback. Hope to see